Hey traders, in today's video we're going to talk about short dated options, yes, weekly options. How do you know when to exit the trade and not have that theta decay, that time decay, burn you up? So a couple things you want to know off the get-go. If you're trading a stock, like me personally, I like Tesla, Nvidia, Netflix with a couple days before expiration because options are cheap. Number one, have a reason to be in a trade. For example, Netflix, it had that pop on earnings. It traded all the way up to about 308.75. Here, we've had three up days, a red day, and then today, about a 2.5%, $2.50 move in Netflix. All I'm looking for here between now, today's Wednesday and Friday, on Netflix, if it takes out that 308.75, so that high from earnings, on volume, I know it can trade higher, possibly 310 to 312. So I have a price target set. Now, if there wasn't a high volume breakout or no catalyst or nothing I saw and you're trading weekly options, one thing's going to really harm you that you have to, and I really want to put this, drain this down. You have to be prepared for time decay. That's theta decay. Now, you could sell bull put credit spreads or sell premium to help offset that decay, but just getting outright long calls, especially weeklies, look at this theta here on the 305 calls, so the at the money calls, that's 54 cents a day coming out those options at about 325 if there's no move on Netflix to the upside. Now, if the stock trades lower, those options are going to get crushed in value. So you have to be prepared for that. So one thing I always like doing on every trade I put out, especially if it's short dated option, is always set price targets. You can put alerts on your charts. I like doing that, and personally, if I'm buying an option for 325, I'm going to go and sell some here at 375, at 450, and then probably 550 or $6, because I will have these price targets already set. So if we do start to move higher, maybe there's a short-term breakout, or maybe there's some news or volume picks up, my fills will automatically happen because I have those exits already set on my platform out there. Again, setting price targets. At the end of the day, if I don't get there, they just cancel. I'll reset them tomorrow. It's always something that you want to do, especially if you're not staring at the screen all day. If you're going to go out to lunch, you're going to go out on the pool, go out on the boat, maybe work in the yard. You can get those alerts right to your phone. And if the stock does trend in your direction, again, these options expire in 2 days. Have those price targets set and put those alerts on. And again, they're right to your phone. How can you not just take 5 seconds, set up alerts, and check the trade on your phone, and you could go live your life. If you're trading weekly options, beware theta decay, time decay, set price targets, and most of all, have a reason to be in a trade. Always know your max risk on each trade you put.